In the depths of the slum, all me see a gun. Me no see no food, no clothes, no shelter, no joy and no fun. Beer devastation, carry go bring come, and blood a run like oil from shell and pet come. Mental and physical slavery in this modern time. Now go make them cowardness cover my bravery. I'm searching for a peace of mind, mind.
Jamaicans have music with them and born with it. Nearly every other youth to say kind of singer, DJ or something.
Chicken in the corn, on the corn can't grow, mama. Hey, when chicken in the corn, on the corn can't grow.
So we're up on the street every day and we are hustle.
Hey, a universal struggle, it's not just you and I.
The only thing we see is guns. We don't see no food from the government over here. We only see guns over here. So if we see food over here, we leave the guns alone and eat the food.
Universal struggle, it's not just you and I.
None of them leaders, they can't rule this thing. It have to be players of instruments and singers.
Wherein we can influence the ways and lives of our people to become a better nation.
Everybody in that earth listen music. Everybody. Music is the highest profession.
All you hear them talking, they never had to just keep on laughing. Look at how many get to youth skylarking unemployed. The future been talking. What about those cocaine they snorting? You laugh cause you get your little money from the bargain. I pray the most I guide my steps when I'm walking. Babylon, you've been way over the margin.
Rise up, rise up. One day the table have to turn. Rise up, rise up.